Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start exercise 5.2, question number 4. The question number 4 is, which term of the AP AP 3, 8, 13, 18 dotted is 78? Which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 dotted is 78? So how we will find the solution? See the solution of this. Given AP is 3, 8, 13, 18 dotted. So from here we can find A equal to 3 and D equal to 8 minus 3, that will be 5. Let nth term of the AP is 78, that is an equal to 78. We know that an यानी nth term of the AP equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now putting the values, we will get here 78 equal to a equal to 3, n is n and d is 5. Now we will 3 transpose here, that will be 78 minus 3, 75, or after it 5 we will transpose 5. It will go in left hand side and 75 will be divided by 5. Now we will get here 15 equal to n minus 1. So n equal to 15 plus 1, that will be 16. Now 16th term is the answer. Now question number 5. Find the number of terms in each of the following APs. यानी क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 में नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स फाइंड करना है. यानी यू हैव टू गिवन द AP 7, 13, 19 dotted 205 and in this AP we have to find the total number of terms, that is n we have to find. तो A equal to 7, D equal to 13 minus 7, that is 6, and an equal to 205. An, I told you, if an AP has n terms, then nth term will be the last term, or you can say an equal to 205. We know that an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now putting the value, an equal to 205, a equal to 7, d equal to 6. Now by solving this equation we can find the value of n equal to 31 plus 1 equal to 34. It is your answer. It means there will be total number of terms equal to 34. Now question number 6. Question number 6 क्या है? Question number 6. Check whether minus 150 is a term of AP इतना. यानी आपको ये चेक करना है कि माइनस 150 इस AP का टर्म है कि नहीं. टर्म का मतलब यानी इस AP के अंदर माइनस 150 आएगा या फिर नहीं. क्योंकि AP हमारी डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में जा रही है, इसका मतलब है कि कहीं ना कहीं आगे जा कर के माइनस में नंबर आएंगे. तो हम ये लेट कर लेते हैं कि माइनस 150 इस AP में कहीं ना कहीं आता है और उसे हम लेट कर लेते हैं कि ये nth टर्म है, यानी दैट इज an. इट मीन्स द वैल्यू ऑफ an इज माइनस 150. द वैल्यू ऑफ an इक्वल टू माइनस 150 और a और d यहाँ से मिल जाएगा. तो नाउ बाई यूजिंग द फार्मूला an इक्वल टू a प्लस n माइनस 1 इंटू डी, यू कैन फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ n. और n की वैल्यू निकलने पर, क्योंकि n जो है काउंटेबल नंबर होता है, इसलिए अगर काउंटेबल नंबर आता है n की वैल्यू, तो इसका मतलब है कि ये टर्म इस AP में है. अगर नहीं आता है n की वैल्यू जो है कोई काउंटेबल नंबर, फ्रैक्शन में आ जाए और किसी चीज़ में आ जाए, इसका मतलब है कि ये टर्म इस AP में नहीं है. तो नाउ यू कैन डू द सोल्यूशन ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. फाइंड द 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. So since it is given that A11 equal to 38 and A16 equal to 73, it is given. तो implies that A11 का मतलब A plus 10D equal to 38. Question number first. Here A16 means A plus 15D equal to 73. Question number 2. By solving these equations we can find the value of a and d, and then we can find a31. a31 कैसे निकलेगा? जब a और d निकल जाएगा तो a प्लस 30d, द वैल्यू ऑफ a31 इक्वल टू a प्लस 30d. तो a और d की वैल्यू पुट करके यू कैन फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ a31. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, if the third and ninth term of an AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of this AP is 0? Which term of this AP is 0? So let nth term of this AP is 0. It means an equal to 0. And here it is given that third term is 4 and ninth term is minus 8. Third term means a3 equal to 4 and a9 equal to minus 8. So by putting here an equal to 0 and a3 equal to 4 and a9 equal to minus 8. From here you can write a plus 2d equal to 4 and a plus 8d equal to minus 8. And by using the identity an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, you can find the answer. Now question number 10. What is question number 10? The 17th term of an AP, the 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. Yani in this question it is given that a17 equal to a10 plus 7. a17 equal to a7 plus 7. क्यों? क्योंकि 17th टर्म जो है 7th टर्म से 7 एक्सीड्स करता है. इसका मतलब है अगर राइट हैंड साइड में प्लस 7 हम कर देते हैं तो these both will be equal. It means we can write a17 equal to a7 plus 7. Implies that we can write here a plus 16d equal to a plus 6d plus 7, and by transposing you can find the value of d. That will be your answer. Now you can do up to question number 10 in your fair register. Thank you and have a nice day.